Hello students, today you will learn lesson 7 of English standard 10 glimpses of India मतलब some scene of India. That means here introduction of a specific place. In second part we will study Coorg of Karnataka, Coorg region of Karnataka. Page number 90. Okay, first paragraph. Midway between Mysore and coastal town of Mangalore sits a piece of heaven that must have drifted from the kingdom of God. Here author compare this place with heaven. But why it is on the earth? Because it drifted from the heaven. तो heaven में से वो कहीं दूसरे रास्ते पर निकल गया. That is why Coorg is located here, author says. This land of rolling hills is inhabited by a proud race of martial men. Rolling hills, okay, there are many hills and they are inhabited. Martial race means warrior. Those who like to fight, physical fight, they are called martial. So these martial race people live there. Beautiful women and wild creatures. Coorg of Kodagu, the smallest district of Karnataka, is home to evergreen rainforest. Okay, there are many rainforests rainforest, spices and coffee plantation. Spices are grown there, and Coorg is famous for coffee plantation also. Evergreen rainforest cover 30% of this district. The 30% of this district, okay, have forest. During the monsoon, it pour enough to keep away visitors away. So that means water from the hills, they come fast, okay, in this region. Pour means rain is heavy. Okay, heavy rain is there. So that is why visitor can't visit this place during monsoon. The season of joy commences from September. Commence means to start. The good season, okay, starts from September and continues till March. The weather is perfect during this month with some showers thrown in for good measure. But there is little bit rain, but it's okay. The air breathes of invigorating coffee. Air breathes invigorating, मतलब strengthen us, give us energy. Invigorate, मतलब give us energy. The air coming from the coffee plantation. The air, coffee estate and colonial bungalows stand tucked under tree canopies. Colonial means British like design, okay, Britishers like design, this type of bungalows and coffee estate, garden of coffees, okay, tucked together, located adjacent, okay, very near to each other. That is called tucked under tree canopies, and they have roof of tree. So there are many trees. That means tree canopy means there are many trees, and these houses roof. Tree become roof of these houses. The fiercely independent people of Coorg are possibly of Greek or Arabic descent. The origin of these people perhaps is Greek or Arabic. They came from Greece or Arabia. Descent. These are today's people are descendant of those original people. As one story goes, a part of Alexander's army moved south along the coast and settled here when return became impractical. The one story says that a part of Alexander's army, Alexander the Great, Sikandar, okay, they moved towards south, and when the return to their home, okay, was impossible, they settled here. These people married amongst the local, and these foreigners married among the local girls and their culture is apparent in the martial tradition. Even today, these people's culture is different and it shows martial culture. Okay, they keep a weapon with them. Okay, they like to fight. They like to tell stories of bravery of their father, grandfather. Apparent matlab clearly. In the martial tradition, marriage and religious rites. Their culture is apparent in martial traditions, marriage and religious rites, which are distinct from the Hindu mainstream. Even today, religious rites, vidhi, धार्मिक विधि और वो सब हमारे कल्चर से अलग है, distinct from the Hindu mainstream. The story of Arab origin draws support from the long black coat with an embroidered waist belt. So the story of Arab origin is also true because their dressing, today's dressing is similar to today's Arab people. So they wear long black coat with an embroidered waist belt. A waist belt says around their waist, worn by Kodavus. They wear such type of dress, known as kufiya. It resembles the kufiya worn by the Arabs and the Kurd. So today in India, pronunciation is kufiya, and in Arab country it is called kufiya. So resemble, there is similarity. So perhaps these people are descendant of Arab. Kurgi homes have a traditional hospitality and they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor related to their son and fathers. Tradition of hospitality. They like the arrival of guests. And they offer many things to guests and they are happy with guests. And they are more than willing to recount numerous tales of valor, bravery. Valor means bravery, related to their son and fathers, because they are originally martial people. The Kurd regiment is one of the most decorated in Indian army. These people generally take part in the army, they get job in the army, and Kurd regiment is important regiment. Most decorated in the Indian army. That means they play important role in the Indian army. And the first chief of the Indian army, General Karyappa, was a Kurgi. And the first chief after independence, he was Kurgi from these people. Even now, Kodavus are the only people in India permitted to carry firearms without a license. And today, these people are allowed to keep firearms, pistol without license. So, it is their culture. That is why government has allowed them, and without any reason, without any danger, they don't use weapon. The river Kaveri obtains its water from the hills and forest of Kurg. Kaveri river, a very important river of South India, gets water from the hills of this Kurg region. Mahasir, a larger freshwater fish, abound in this water. Mahasir fish abound. The plenty of Mahasir fish is in this water. Kingfisher dive for their catch, and kingfisher dive in the water to catch these Mahasir fish. While squirrels and langurs drop partially eaten fruit for the mischief of enjoying the splash and the ripple effect in the clean water. While squirrel and langur means one type of monkey, they intentionally drop half-eaten fruit in the river water to see the ripples, waves in the water and splash of fish. When we drop something eatable in the water, fish come out on the surface and catch it. So to see these squirrel and langur drop half-eaten fruit. Elephants enjoy being bathed and scrubbed in the river by their Mahavat. Elephant keeper, okay, Mahavat, okay, they make elephant bathe in the river water and scrub. उसको घिस के नहलाते हैं. The most laid-back individuals become converts to the life of high-energy adventure with river rafting. The most laid-back individual, relaxed or somewhat lazy. Laid-back means you are not fond of adventure. Laid-back. Those who don't like adventure, they also become, okay, adventurous. They also think to start an adventure in this region. Become converts to life of high energy adventure with river rafting, canoeing, rappelling, rock climbing and mountain biking. So these are the game, okay, adventurous game. Canoeing matlab boating, river rafting, rappelling. Rappelling means to climb a hill with rope or lower, to come down using rope from the heighted place, and rock climbing and mountain biking, to ride a bike or run bike over or on mountain. Numerous walking trails in this region are a favorite with trekkers, and they are small way for the trekker who are fond of trekking. Okay, they can climb and walk around the mountains on this way. Walking trails means small way for the trekkers for trekking. Birds, bees, butterflies are there to give you company. And many different types of birds, butterflies, bees, they accompany us. Macaque, Malabar squirrels, langur and slender lories keep a watchful eye from tree canopy. Loris is a fox-like animal. Macaque is short-tailed monkey. So macaque is short-tailed monkey and loris is fox-like animal. When we travel through this forest, these animals keep watch on us. हमको देखते रहते हैं. From the tree canopy, from the tree roof, I do, however, prefer to step aside for wild elephants. Author says, I give way when any wild elephant come in front of me. तो मैं एक साइड हो जाता हूँ. I let it pass first. उसको मैं पहले जाने देता हूँ. The climb to the Brahmagiri hills bring you into a panoramic view of the entire misty landscape of Coorg. Brahmagiri hills. Okay, if we climb Brahmagiri hills, then it gives us panoramic view. मतलब bird eye view. We can watch, we can see whole region from that height. Brahmagiri hills. Panoramic view मतलब bird eye view. Okay, कोई हाइट वाले प्लेस से देखना पूरा रीजन. Entire misty landscape and there is fog and mist over hills of Coorg. A walk across the rock bridge lead to the 64-acre island of Nisargandha. A walk across the rock bridge, there is rock bridge, lead to the 64-acre island of Nisargandha. Okay, Nisargandham. So if we want to go to this island, we have to pass rock bridge. Okay, over a river. Running into Buddhist monk from India's largest Tibetan settlement. And on this island, Buddhist monk lived there. At nearby Baikupi is bonus, or Baikupi place is a bonus if we go to this island. The monk in red, ochre and yellow robe, these are their dressing. Okay, ochre and yellow robe are amongst the many surprises that wait to be discovered by visitors searching for the heart and soul of India. If we want to know India closely, okay, we should visit such a place. Heart and soul of India, right here in Coorg. Okay, children, this lesson ends here. So this is description, pen portrait of very interesting place, Coorg. Coorg is famous for its coffee production in Karnataka. And then next block gives the information how to reach Coorg. Okay, children, thank you.